Hey guys, how's it going? This is Mike from M&R Automotive. Today we have a Ram TRX and we're going to be removing the front grille. So now we're going to start taking off all the push pins in order to remove this plastic. So just pop this push pin up and it completely comes out. Alright, so let's go ahead and remove this plastic cover. It just pops right off. So now with that top cover off, we have two more push pins to remove. And those are the last two that are holding this top trim piece. Okay, and there's one push pin on each side. Okay, now lift up on it and get it out the way. The next thing we're going to do is remove the top brow plastic trim. There's two push pins and a bunch of 10mm screws. There's one push pin on each side. You're going to pop that up and get out the way. And everything else is a 10mm screw. So we'll just start unbuttoning the whole top. So now with everything removed, we can go ahead and pull this forward and away. So next thing we want to remove is these four 10mm silver screws. So now let's move on to the camera. There's a little tab here that you want to press in and it can go to the side. And just unclip it. Bam. And it just unplugs. So next thing we want to do is unclip these side panels. You just want to pry it from the bottom. And there's little tabs that you want to press in order for them to release. This tab right here. There it is. There it goes. So these are the clips that we're prying open. So if you press on these tabs with a small screwdriver, you can unclip them easier. So if it's giving you a hard time, try to find this button and press it in. So now with these panels removed, it gives us access to these three bolts that we have to also take out. There's three more that are holding this plastic trim piece. So we got to remove that as well. So now by removing these three bolts, we can actually take off this panel. You're supposed to wiggle it to the side and remove it. So now let's move on to the other side. So I'm going to go ahead and pull on it, and while I'm pulling, I'm going to try to separate. So I just want to pull and unclip. These are the ones that we had to get unclipped. Three. So now we're going to go ahead and unclip this trim piece from the grill. We're just wiggling it out of the way. There it is. And we set this aside. So now we can pull up on these two tabs and we can remove the grill. And this is how you remove the front end from the Ram TRX. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please stay tuned where we're going to be installing a 23-inch M&R light bar inside this grill.